Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a concept map in Excel. To start, open a new Excel workbook. Head over to the Insert tab, then click on Shapes within the Illustrations group. Here, you will find various shapes to represent your concepts. Rectangles and ovals are excellent choices for holding your main ideas. You can easily draw these shapes directly onto your spreadsheet canvas. Once you have selected your desired shape, simply click and drag on the spreadsheet to draw it. Repeat this for all your main concepts. To add text, right-click on any shape and choose Edit Text. Type your concept directly into the shape. Keep your concept labels brief and to the point, using perhaps 1 to 3 words to maintain clarity and readability across your map. Now let's connect your concepts. Go back to the Insert tab, then Shapes, and select an arrow or a simple line. Click on the edge of your first concept shape and drag the line to the edge of the second concept shape. This visually links them. For clarity, insert a small text box near each line to describe the relationship, using phrases like causes, leads to, or is a type of. To make your concept map visually engaging and easy to follow, spend some time on formatting. You can change shape colors, line thickness, and text fonts using the Format Shape pane. Consider grouping related shapes and their connecting lines together. Select multiple elements by holding down the Control key, then right-click and choose Group. Finally, review your entire map to ensure all connections are logical and the information is presented clearly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.